At Inspire Her Mind, we're really focusing on getting girls excited and engaged in STEM fields and potential STEM careers.
I decided to come on a whim.
I thought we were just gonna get like hour-long lectures and everything, but instead we got to have like these fun experiences.
I expected to see men in lab coats.
I also expected people to just tell about their jobs and then how we could help our city, but instead I learned about how those small careers add up to help the whole world.
This is a really great opportunity for girls to get that hands-on experience and to open their eyes.
My expectations when we came here was that we would go into a lecture hall, they would lecture us, and then we would leave. I didn't expect it to be as hands-on and as innovative and interactive as it was, and I think that that's the reason why I enjoyed it as much as I did.
It's part of their everyday lives, and helping them understand that and appreciate that is also part of this endeavor.
My favorite thing was seeing the batteries and the wire thing move around.
Oh, I saw that amazing little robot. Did you guys? Yeah.
The way they were coded had them follow a pathway, and in that pathway were certain color codes, and those color codes would dictate what the robot did.
It was so little and it was so cute, and the fact that I could literally just drop like a bunch of colors and it would make the robot do different things. It was really, really like impressive, and I really like that.
I'm a wildlife biologist by training. I get to work with animals, habitats, and the environment.
We learned about the California condor,
And we found causes of death among condors and why they almost went extinct.
and how due to conservation by people that are in the STEM field, they were able to multiply, and now they're growing species again.
The program provides an opportunity for our students, young ladies, to look into STEM as a possibility and also leadership. There is definitely a gap out in the workforce, so what are we doing? We're bringing our girls in and we're helping build the confidence around those two specific areas.
I'm actually really looking forward to coming back and seeing what other activities that they have for us.
I heard them say that leadership was going to be the focus of the second conference. I'm definitely really interested in that, and I think it's really important for women to realize that leadership is an important skill to have. And it's definitely something that's really related to STEM, because STEM is leading the field in so many industries nowadays.
I'm also looking forward to coming back and learning more about the small careers that can build up to help everybody around.
I think it's really important to expose them to the vast array of careers and how a scientific background can help you succeed at anything you choose to do.